G'day everybody, it's Bruce here again. The Suzuki Stockman is back together. We're just going to give it a quick start now and see how it runs, and it doesn't have any knocks or rattles or clangs or bangs or whatever, so I'll give it a start and see what it sounds like. So we've had to set the idle pretty fast to keep it going. We could probably do with a carburetor kit. We've got one on order, but it was sitting for many years, and the diaphragms and whatever in the carburetor have probably gone hard. So we'll put a new kit in it, and we're going to put another radiator in it as well, because the radiator in it now, we can't put a new cowl. The new cowl won't fit the radiator, so we're going to buy a new radiator and put that in. We haven't heard any bad noises or anything in there, so that's the main thing, I guess. And it had oil pressure on startup, so that's always a thing to double check for. And we've just got to wait now for our carburetor kit to arrive, put it in, and then we'll see how it goes. We'll take it for a drive around the paddock then. Thanks for watching.